Hello, thanks for watching my video. So what you're looking at here is the reject tools from the OfferUp deal that I got a couple weeks ago. Paid 20 bucks for this entire box that you see in front of you, plus what's on my workbench right here. So this is stuff I'm keeping. Got some screwdrivers, got Roscoe USA. What I could tell finding online is these were probably made in the 1980s by Vermont American. Got the Craftsman. Got a couple Kleins. Got two Snap-ons. Stanley's in the back. I got a Bondus, hex ball, pliers. This is Klein & Sons water pump pliers. These are made by, I believe it was Mechanics Tool Company. They're kind of cool, but they're pretty much worthless. These are Scotchlok pliers, they're called. Use these for terminating telephone cables, splicing together. It's a regular pair of slip joint pliers with my plastic dipped handles because the handles are pretty rough on them. We've got two pairs of channel lock water pump pliers. This set on the left is the oldest. What I could find by looking at the patent numbers is that these were made between 1953 and 1962. And then this one, based off patent numbers, was 62 to 69, I believe. Or 65, sorry. And we got a little pair of needle nose. These are actually made in West Germany, so before 1989, before the Berlin Wall fell. And the handles on this set and this set were both torn up, so I plastic dipped both of those also. And this is actually a pair of Snap-on needle nose. We got some, I believe they're Klein wire strippers and crimpers. Adjustable wrenches. Got an actual Crescent, made in USA. 8-inch. Fuller tools, 10-inch, made in Japan. I believe by KTC. A set of, well, not a set, but 3 USA, I think it's called 2-hex. They're made in USA. Blue Point open end wrenches. Goes from 9/16 to 7/8, skips 13/16. This is a set of Fuller wrenches made in Japan by KTC. They're actually stamped on the back, KTC. We got open end wrenches. These are made in India. Same with the combinations back here. And then these are just cheap China or Taiwan. And then these are also cheap China, Taiwan. And we just got random wrenches strung about. Got some Arrow, got SK, Gador, Craftsman, Thorson, Cornwell, and a Blackhawk. We'll get into the sockets. So this is a set of Williams 3/8 drive from 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch, missing the 7/16. And the rest of these are all Craftsman, all 3/8 drive, except for over here. These are 1/2 inch drive. Really cool part of this was this over here. So I got a Craftsman round head ratchet, and then just I couldn't find any. It's probably a Taiwan made. Got a Williams breaker bar, 3/8. This is a Wright Tools T-handle. And these are cool because this is a Craftsman 1/2-inch breaker bar, but it's stamped with BE after the Craftsman. So this breaker bar, T-handle, the 3/8 breaker bar, the little speed handle, 1/2-inch drive, and then the 1/2-inch extension. These are all stamped Craftsman BE. And looking online, what I could find is that these were made between 1935 and 1947. It's got some other Craftsman 1/4-inch extensions, 3/8 and a half. And we've got a bunch of claw hammers. Got a Craftsman, a Vaughan, 2 Plums, an Estwing, and 3 ball peen hammers. I had to replace the handle on this one because it was split. But so I got all that for $20 plus the crate of garbage tools that are going in the garbage or recycle bin, whichever it suits. So let me know what you think. If you guys ever score anything, if it was a good score or not, let me know. Thanks for watching.